Hey, Sugar Plum, it's Evelyn of Growtogatherwitheve, where we gather to help you grow and plan better outcomes by sharing lifestyle, planning tips, and resources. In this video, you'll check out a B5 Scribbles That Matters bullet journal unboxing. This will help you see if one might work for you or to consider one for planning, art journal, or any of the things. So let's check it out. And before we unbox this beauty, if you just happen to be curious to know why I'm using a bullet journal or what I'm using this particular bullet journal for, I want to invite you to check out my 2022 planner lineup. And I'll put a card for you in the top corner and also a link in the description if you want to just check that out. So I am going to open up my little toolbox here and find a safe space to open it. This planner comes in this lovely storage box, which I'm excited about because it's decorated, and I wanted to see how sturdy it might be. Let's see, we'll check it out. Feels very sturdy, and I'm going to be keeping the box. So after I'm done using the planner, I can store it in this box. So this is my first time seeing a Scribbles That Matters notebook or bullet journal in person. So we've got this. Oh, nice. Okay, so as I said, it's a dotted B5. Okay, look at these views. So this is the box on the side, and this is the planner. So it's got this sleeve on it. I'm gonna pull that off. It is a mustard. The color is called mustard. And wow, nice. Okay, so a couple things have come with the dark grid bullet journal that I was not expecting. It tells you what's on here and actually what's with it. So let's read it. So it has a key, a code page, index pages, numbers pages, pin test pages, premium quality paper, lay flat design, attached pin loop, vegan leather, expansive interior pocket, 2 bookmarks in rounded corners. All right, and then Scribbles That Matter is designed in the UK and printed in China. All right, so you kind of have this on the front, and I'm assuming that might be your index. You have this lovely B5 divider guide, which is going to be very handy in like designing out your pages or shopping with STM. And I can put my name here. And then you've got kind of like a title page, I would say. And here actually are the first of the index pages here. And then you can start on one. So actually, I'm looking at this, and this actually would be maybe a good page to put a key on. But yes, B5 dotted, and it's 160 GSM, which is what I was really interested in. Let's see how it lays flat with it. Okay, so it's gonna need some page training, which is normal. And then here are the bookmarks. Comes in yellow and gray, which is good because then you can, if you decide to use one bookmark for one thing, like your monthly or something else, you can kind of identify that if you want. Here are the pin test pages. I I would say that this one feels more of like a end page, like it's thicker than this page, so I think you would get a true test on this page. And then here is the back interior pocket. Oh, nice. So one thing I see already that I'm loving is you have almost like nylon fabric that's kind of here, so it's not all cardstock, which is nice. I haven't really put much in the back of bullet journal pockets, but that's nice to have it looking a little bit more durable. And then here is the pen. It is a fine liner. It says 4, and it has like little grips, help you pull it off. So let's test it on the pen test page. See here, I'm just going to write Eve. And then test. STM04. Okay. So it writes like a pretty much standard felt pen. And of course, there is no ghosting or bleeding that I see here. So really nice. I love these kind of pens because they don't roll off of the table. Those triangle pens are really good for that. So that is my B5 for 2022. I'm very excited to be working in that. And let's see if it'll go back in this way. Yes, and it does. So then I can, like, if I want to put the year here. I'm really excited, and I love these doodles on this case too. So if you are really interested in getting either a B5 or A5, check out the affiliate link that I have for you in the description below. They have A5s and B5s, both in 120 GSM and 160 GSM. You want to check out the different combinations. They also have an icon planner that has more of the doodles on it. And you just put the code SAVE10 in the discount code box so you can get your 10% off. Okay, now you got to check out this cover that I got because you might need it too. It is a Kokuyo systemic refillable notebook cover. I snagged this off of Amazon after seeing it in a YouTube video of someone kind of showing a cover that would give you more storage. And when I tell you it does not disappoint, that is almost an understatement. So it has this trifold design and this notebook that comes with it. When I tell you the pages are like butter, I can't even say it. I'm so excited. It's like butter. And I won't be keeping mine. I'm giving mine to my husband. So if you're interested in knowing how it fares with pens, just drop me a comment down below. But back to putting your bullet journal in it. This cover allows for 2 folders. You got one in the front and one in the back that has the bookmark attached to it. So that's 2 bookmarks and a pen holder. And then you also have kind of like your card size storage compartments. Now, if this looks good, look how this bullet journal fits in here. If this looks good to you and you think you might want to get it, I suggest you follow the link, check out all the colors that are available, and grab you one. Let me know in the comments below if you end up grabbing you one, because I'm so excited about mine. I think everybody should have it. Another perk of this cover is having decoration that will go with you. So this is my bullet journal from last year, and I have a vinyl name on it, but I can't take it with me into this new year. So I'm going to do iron-on kind of design on the front of this, and then I can put some stickers on the inside that I can keep with me, and those stickers won't be lost the next year. So it can kind of stay with me with that design, and then if I get bored with those, I can get another cover. And you also have pockets on the front and back. I forgot to mention that. So these are a lot of perks to this one cover. Thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for a bullet journal with heavy paperweight, I would say that this one is looking like it's going to be the best in that category. And if you found value in flipping through this, unboxing it with me, definitely please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what type of bullet journal you have used and or will be using in 2022. And also I want to invite you to subscribe for more planner and lifestyle videos. Until next time, thank you for gathering, and I wish you much love, truth, and growth. Bye.